cannot let go of this shit, bro. Come on, bitches, vale. We are here with another fucking banger motherfucking video. Y como pueden ver, it fucking snowed here in Texas, bro. They were saying it would be a big ass snowstorm. Esto que el otro, way.
What the hell, boy?
Don't go out. I don't give a fuck. I'm from fucking Colorado, bro. This shit is nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Esta madre no es nada, way. This shit ain't got shit on the fucking valleys, bro. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I already had a fucking intro for the video. Yeah, and then I was editing the video. And then the audio got corrupted. So like I got scared, like ya la cagué, güey. But no, it's only the beginning of the video. The rest has fucking audio type shit, guys. So watch the whole fucking video. Estamos de todo, güey. We went sledding, we made hot chocolate, we ate caldo de res. We did everything in this bitch, bro. Hicimos de todo, güey. Tu pinche ya me asoleé, güey, porque hay sol.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're about to hit 700 subscribers, bro. And follow me on Instagram right here. And here on TikTok, right there. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we're going to be the biggest Hispanic creator, influencer this year, bro. I know we are. So, like, be part of the fucking journey, mis valis. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't fucking follow me, bro, you have fucking piojos. Tell me, do you have fucking piojos, bro? You don't fucking shower or qué pedo, way? Guys, it's a dub fucking video. We start off the video going to Walmart because we need to buy groceries. And yeah, watch the whole fucking video, guys. We do a lot of shit this fucking video. Tu pinche madre, bro. Guys, they don't do it better than those fucking valleys, bro. Welcome to the fucking valleys, bro. If you're new here, you're a fucking valley now. And there's no getting out of it, bro. Only death. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, you guys better like the fucking video. Watch the whole video, bro, so we could get fucking more watch time minutes. And yeah, type shit. Guys, please watch the whole video, guys. I love you guys so much, bro. I'll see you guys at the end when you're done watching the video, hopefully. But yeah, arriba las chivas. Guys, I'm gonna go to Walmart right now porque se acabó el cuidar de los perros. But I'm gonna get fucking the food for the dogs and bolillo, because I'm about to make chocolate de la bolita. You know what I'm saying? Some light shit. Gonna be fucking lit as fuck. If they have anything at fucking Walmart, bro, because people were buying anything, bro. Anything and everything, bro.
30 seconds!
We need some milk! Guys, we're gonna take my dad's truck, because my truck is not 4x4. This one is. This shit is 4x4, bro. This shit better not be fucking. Oh no, easy. Easy. We just made it to Walmart. We're about to get dog food. And then we're gonna get the ingredients for chocolate de la bolita, which I've never made that shit, bro. So I'm gonna call my mom ahorita a ver cómo se hace ese pedo. Porque si no, va a ser bien culero ese pedo. Wey, se me quema el agua, wey. Está cabrón. Low key, they didn't overreact. You know what I'm saying? Esta más está enterito, wey. We need to get dog food. Damn. Wait, bro, I'm gonna call my mom right now, bro. She takes forever to pick up the phone. Pero a ver qué pedo. She answered. Terecuita. ¿Qué está haciendo Terecuita?
¿Dónde andas, melolenguito?
Estoy grabando ahorita. Ando en la tienda. ¿Qué se ocupa para hacer chocolate de la bolita? ¿Qué ocupo? Chocolate y qué más se ocupa.
Chocolate ahí en la casa.
Ok, leche ya también hay en la casa. ¿Qué más se ocupa?
Aquí dice el melolengo.
Pero ocupo para el video de YouTube.
No, con nomás la leche, ya le pones una... Ya sé que ocupa chocolate.
Ok, ¿qué más?
Chocolate, la leche.
¿Azúcar?
No, yo no le pongo azúcar, pa.
¿Canela hay en la casa?
¿Eh?
¿En la casa de canela?
Sí, ahí está en el cajón de abajo de la estufa.
¿No me las ocupa?
Y agarra 2 leches clavel.
¿O leches clavel? Ocupa leche, chocolate de la bolita, canela y 2 leches clavel. No más.
Azúcar no le pongo, lo uso con el puro chocolate.
Ok. ¿Ahora de este? A ver pues. Bueno. Leche, chocolate, canela y 2 de clavel. So like we already have everything we should need the leche clavel, and we're pretty much set for that shit, bro. We got the dog food, leche clavel, some light shit. Alright, then we have here the pinche leche clavel, dos de esas, and then we're gonna look for, let's see if they have bolillo here. And if they have bolillo, I'm gonna get some bolillo here. Cause I don't feel like driving to a pinche panaderia, you know? Or maybe I might do it for the fucking video. I don't know, bro. I don't fucking know, bro. Like the video, subscribe. Cabrón, el pinche pan, sus güeyes. Look at that. No hay nada, güey. Yeah, I think I'm going to the fucking panaderia. Shit better be fucking open, bro. Shit better be fucking open right now. Look, bro, me quiero comprar, raza. Ahora sí, I think I'm going to la pinche panaderia and get some fucking pan recién hecho, güey. Cause the one here was fucking, I don't want that cold shit, bro. What the fuck? You quiero algo perrón, güey. You know what I'm saying? Bro, do I look cool vlogging in public or do I look like a dumbass? People keep looking at me, bro. ¿Les gusto? O les doy lástima, güey. Acabamos este pedo. Now we're gonna look for a local panadería. Bro, si voy a la panadería, güey, está cerrado, güey, me voy a emputar, güey. No, I'm playing, but like, the fuck, bro, like, what the fuck? It's fucking dangerous in this bitch, bro. You know what I'm saying? 10 minutes? Yeah, I'm gonna go there right now, bro. Hopefully that shit's open, you know what I'm saying? Así que, fuga. I'm playing. Guys, we're gonna get to la panadería. This is right here. I'm gonna leave the camera here because I can't get the fucking charola. I didn't put bread with the camera, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get bolillo, some conchas, and then a ver qué más agarro, vale. But I'll be right back, va. There we have it. Quitan el pinche pan. Compré 5 bolillos, 4 conchas, y una dona. Ahorita from my mom, my dad, my sister. And then I'm going to work ahorita later, so I'm going to take some bread over there. Algo bien. Ahora sí, fuga para la casa, porque ya se hizo tarde, güey. I gotta go to work in 3 hours. Maybe. I might call in sick because my hair hurts. O sea, no me van a creer. Se van a decir, este güey está loco y maníaco, güey. But you're right. I mean, you are right, bro. You know what I'm saying? Está nevando, güey. Todo el pedo, güey. Pero it wouldn't be... It's a good day to get iced coffee, is what I'm trying to say, bro. I'm about to get a fucking iced coffee at Starbucks type shit, bro. ¿Me va a dar chorro? Sí. Am I gonna have a good shit after? Yes. Am I gonna lose weight after having that chorro and having to get that shit? Yes. So like all I hear is win after win after win type shit. Yeah, I'm gonna coffee right now, bro. And then that, and then yeah, and then we go home. Yeah. I'm gonna get my teeth stained because of this shit, bro. Fuck. It's okay though, bro. This shit is worth it. I think, bro. I might regret this shit later, bro. When my teeth are fucking stained, but. Como dijo esta de Frozen. Como dijo.
Cold never bothered me anyway.
The cold never bothered me anyway. You know what I'm saying? This shit tastes better than usual, bro. I think like cold coffee is meant to be drank on cold days. Made it home. Hey! Pinche pájaros, güey. Bro, who wants free fucking birds? But I don't want these motherfuckers no more, bro. Fuck you guys. Sí, güey. Sí. Estoy loco, güey. Pero pues está cabrón el pedo, güey. Fucking birds, hijos de... La abuelita right now. I'm gonna wake up. She's already up. Oh. Be ready, bro. Get ready, bro. Finally go sledding, gang. Guys, you barely woke up, bro. It is currently like 2 in the afternoon already. 1:30. But we just got home. I got home. Guys, it wouldn't be a Josie vlog si no hay desmadre, güey. And guess what I have in my fucking garage, bro? Bro, I'm about to have my sister drive this shit, and I'm gonna get in the back just like sledding like a motherfucker, bro. This shit's gonna get lit as fuck, bro. Y'all is not fucking ready, bro. Y'all not ready. Follow me on YouTube, on TikTok right here, ping. On Instagram right here, ping. Esto pinche madre. We next up, bro. I don't give a fuck. Type shit. We're about to ride the 4-wheeler right now, bro. Have my sister right here. She already changed and shit, bro. Finna get litty as fuck, gang. I'm gonna need to record me doing some donuts. And then we're doing that shit. You know what I'm saying? Some lunch. Bro, how do I look? Cause I look cold as fuck now, bro.
Okay, ready?
How do I look? Do I look cool or not, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you cold?
Yeah. Do you have extra gloves?
Yeah. Then put these on. Cut it. Alright, guys. Here we have the fucking canna. This shit, I'm gonna hold on from right here. Just gonna drive it. It's gonna be fire ass fuck. Now, where do I put the fucking camera? I'll put the shit. Wait. Be right back. Be right back, bro. Don't leave the video yet, bro. Guys. You guys almost just lost. I almost fucking died right there, bro. I thought it would go slow. Fucking janks that shit back. Watch just a video, bro. Bang. Fuck. Alright, one more time. Locking in. Okay.
Did you let go or what?
Yeah, my fucking hands were hurting, bro.
Should have gone in a rag or something.
Follow me on YouTube, bro. Follow me on YouTube, gang. You need to fucking subscribe to the YouTube channel, bro. This is legitness. Who does this shit, bro? No one. Just those fucking valleys. Wait. Come on this bitch. Go. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You go, sister. You go. Ooh! Ooh! I just spun around. Dub. Y'all better fucking follow me, bro. Hell no. This shit is fucking crazy. Guys, my fucking mustache is fucking frozen. Shit is frozen as fuck. Pinche man. This is crazy though, bro. Bro, you need to fucking follow me on YouTube, bro. We are next, okay? Pinche man. Watch. Now, I'm gonna record, but with my phone. Go around my phone, okay? Oh shit. Alright, go. Where the back of this shit? Get up. Oh, fuck. Bro, it's a dumb video. Oh shit! I'm gonna go around the whole fucking block, okay? Bro. Fuck. Damn. Su pinche madre, guys. Está haciendo bien pinche. It's fucking cold. It's really, really fucking cold, bro. Alright, I'm getting on it again. And then, look at my fucking mustache. Shit is cold. Wait, hold up. I cannot let go of this shit, bro. I cannot let go of this shit. Wait, chill out. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Go, 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 go. Oh, fuck. I stop. Someone's coming. Someone's coming, guys. Oh, never mind. Fucking psyched us, you fucking bitch. I go again. Ow! Better pick a side, bro. Damn.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go home. It's fucking cold as shit. Guys, it is cold, cold. Insanely cold. We just got back, bro. Oh my god. It is cold. We're gonna go inside. It's really fucking cold, bro. And we're about to do fucking hot chocolate de la abuelita. Cause we fucking like that, bro. My fucking bigote is frozen, bro. That shit is for real fucking frozen. Alright, we're back home. Su pinche madre. Ya me solía. But I'm gonna make my mom. No, I'm calling my mom right now. And then ask her for the recipe. Cause I don't know. I've never done this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've always been like, okay, just come to the table and eat it. You know what I'm saying? But, shit. We're looking good right now, huh? No, playing. Guys, let me call my mama right now. And then a ver, ¿cómo se hace el pedo? ¿Cómo se hace este pedo? Holy shit. ¿Está de trabajo o está tranquilo?
Está tranquilo.
¿Machín? Pongo el chocolate, ¿en cuál olla?
¿No está una cacerolita ahí azulita? Bueno,
Miren qué cago estoy ahorita con la cuatrimoto.
¿qué hiciste?
Levanté la abrí. Y yo agarré una caja, ¿verdad? Y yo estaba acostado en la caja y la abrí estaba manejando la cuatrimoto.
Hijo de tu chema. Estás bien loco tú, me lo digo.
¿Esta es tu mami?
Esa. Ahí vaciarle la... ¿Destapa la latita?
¿Las dos?
Una, mamá, lo vas a hacer poquito.
¿Dónde están las relatas?
Ahí en el cajón de enfrente de tus narices. Por ahí va a estar un azulito. O verdecito.
¿Qué?
Ese.
Guys, we're going to her make chocolate de la abuelita. Esta de la abuelita. Ok. ¿Ya nomás la vacío aquí? ¿Más una?
Sí, ya le pones leche. Échale leche.
¿O cuánta leche le he hecho?
Enséñame la cacerola.
What are you making?
Hot chocolate de la abuelita.
Échale poquito más. Poquito más. ¡Yay!
Ok. Ahora,
Allá abajo del cajón de la estufa está el... Abajo. Abre el cajón de abajo.
ok.
Ahí está un de este...
¿Estas?
Échale un pedacito de un palito.
¿Me han hecho uno?
Un pedazo. Y órale. Sí.
Ok, ya lo eché
Y
allí.
ya échale. Ahí en el frente de tus marisotas está el chocolate, abuelita.
Ok.
Échale 2 de esas tablitas.
¿Dos de estos? ¿Así nomás?
Sí, pero sin papel. No le vas a poner azúcar y le dejas no muy alto para que no se te vaya a tirar porque vas a hacer un marranero, ¿eh?
¿Cuánto dura estar listo el chocolate?
Pues, ahora, tú puedes estar ahí al pendiente de él.
Shit. Esta mata bien duro, trae con un cuchillo.
No lo quebres, así échalo. No lo quebres, se va a desbaratar.
¿Lo he hecho todo?
Sí,
Dos de estos.
sí, échale 2.
Holy shit.
Yo no le pongo azúcar.
Holy shit. Oh, my thumb hurts, bro. Guys, you're gonna put 2 of these, bro. Holy hell.
Yo no le pongo azúcar, por eso le pongo 2 de chocolate.
Okay, ¿ya? ¿Y es todo?
Por así ponen la lumbre. Ponle como en el 6. Y ahí vas a estar checando y le vas a estar batiendo y ya cuando ves que está empezando a calentarse la leche, le bates hasta que se disuelva bien el chocolate.
Ya.
Y la voy a hervir.
Okay.
Cuando empiece a hervir, le apagas porque si no se te va a tirar la leche, y vas a limpiar la estufa.
Entonces me lo voy batiendo. Ya cuando empiece a hervir, le apago la estufa. No me lo voy. Ya. Ok. ¿Cuánto dura tal vez? ¿Unos 20 minutos?
No sé, pues depende ahorita.
Ok, madre. Thank you.
Ok, bye.
Bye. Old? My thumb hurts, bro.
That's not your thumb.
Oh shit, it's not my thumb. My finger. Yeah, my fault, bro. We're currently meneando la olla, you know what I'm saying? Meneando la olla. But it's probably gonna take like 20 minutes, I think 20 minutes. And then I just need to go back outside to take pictures. Huh, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit. Bro, we haven't had breakfast. This is gonna be our breakfast, pan con leche. And she's barely woke up, bro, like 20 minutes ago. Not even? It's almost ready, bro. It's almost ready. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want some hot chocolate your brother made for you? Okay. Imagine when I'm fucking famous and I make edits of me, bro, looking good.
No one's doing that.
All I'm gonna do is wait for that bitch to boil, and then that's it, bro. That's it for that part of this video. And we're gonna eat some fucking pan con leche, pan con chocolate with me and my sister, type shit. Yeah. Shit, fuck with me heavy, bro. Casa, ya huele a chocolate de la abuelita. Ya me puedo casar. I could do fucking sandwiches, cereal, and chocolate de la abuelita. Me hirvió. Ya lo pagué, güey. Whoa. Is it stuck in this bitch? Oh, shit. Hey, yo. I almost sold the bag. I did that shit right there, bro. Guys, I'm about to serve my sister some hot chocolate, bro. A little bit? Oh, you're not feeling too good? Only the best for the best, huh?
Ah, thank you, man.
That's mine, bro.
Oh, that's mine. What the fuck?
Oh, I posted a video right now on TikTok and on Instagram. Y'all better fuck with it, bro. This shit is insane. Guys, we have it right here. I'm gonna get a fucking bolillo with chocolate de la abuelita. Ay, como que me gusta madre. My fucking finger hurts, bro. That shit hurts for real. Fucking hate those birds, bro. With the passion. In Texas, they exaggerate fucking snow, bro. In Colorado, big ass fucking snow, bro. They were saying 12 inches of snow. My ass, bro. I know what that looks like, bro. Guys, ya acabo de hacer eso. I'm gonna go to the gas station. It's right next to my house. And I'm about to take some fire ass pictures, you know what I'm saying? We look live as fuck right now, gang. Some live shit. And we finna go in the 4-wheeler. Bro, tell me I don't look live as fuck right now, bro. Y'all better like these fucking pictures on my fucking IG, gang. Guys, I'm saying gasoline. I don't have much to drive us there. It's like a 2-minute drive, like a 1-minute drive, bro. You got it? Shit. Fire ass fuck, guys. Está haciendo frijol. Okay, we just made it to the gas station. Get some snacks and then get some pictures real quick, you know, type shit. Eso pinche está haciendo un chingo de frijol, raza. I'm trying to get some snacks and shit. Bro, that shit looks kind of eating right now, bro. Shit looking fire. What you trying to get, bro? I'll pay for it. Did you bring your wallet? No. Bring your wallet? Type shit. I don't even want anything, bro. Bro, tell me why I went live the other day. They're making fun of me for saying Takis. But I had the fucking ligas on. What you getting? Takis and what else? Bro, this is gonna be a dope video, bro. For real. Now, we at the store. Like, get some fire ass pics right now. I need one for the thumbnail and some for IG, bro. It's gonna be some fire ass shit right now, bro. Yo, me quedé dormido. Me quedé bien dormido porque ahora hicimos puro desmadre. Y ahorita vamos a comer. Ahorita vamos a comer. I'll show you guys what we're about to eat, bro. Give me a second. Bueno, guys, como les decía, vamos a comer ahorita caldo de res que mi mamá hizo en el trabajo. You know what I'm saying? She went off today, pero está haciendo frío, haciendo frijol. Y tareco aquí. Hizo caldo de res, arroz. I made the hot chocolate de la abuelita.
¿Quién no hizo hot chocolate?
Pero, ¿quién me dio la receta? Type. And we're about to eat that, bro. Then that's gonna be it for today's video. Bro, this fucking snowstorm isn't shit, bro. Like, decían que no, nevar un chingo esto y lo otro, and people were buying everything at the fucking stores, and then you guys overpaid for shit, bro, and then todo el pedo y pues sí.
¿Tu papá está enojado?
¿Por qué?
Porque no nevó mucho.
Yeah, it was a flop basically, bro. This is dead as esa man no nada vale. But anyways, we're gonna wait for that thing to heat up, and we're gonna eat good. And then some light shit, bro. Algo bello para el camello. Alright, guys, here we have el caldo de res. Some light shit, bro. Papa, elote, zanahoria, caldo, calabaza, carne, arroz y mucho amor de mi madre. You know what I'm saying? Hago levesón. It's fucking cold. Hace frío. Nomás he comido pan con chocolate de abuelita ahora, vale. This is gonna be my first meal of the day, basically, bro. Pero pues, algo bien. Todo chill el día. Some light shit. And I didn't work today, bro. I was gonna work today. Me dijeron, ¿sabes qué? No trabajes. Patrón, trabajas mucho. Tú ya no trabajes, me dijeron. Y me pagaron del día. Bombastic estar ahí. This is fire, bro. I already tried it, but it's so fire. My mom has the best cooking ever, bro. Dead ass, bro. I don't know, bro. Bro, this shit is so fucking good, bro. Sí. Fire. Cooked. Don't lie shit, bro. Guys, I'm gonna finish eating, bro. This shit is fucking amazing, bro. If y'all want the recipe, let me know, bro. I'll do it for a TikTok or a live stream. I don't know. You let me know, bro. Ustedes mandan type shit. Bueno, pues, Valis. Ya se acabó el video. Así que, si ya lo vieron, comenten aquí este emoji. ¡Pum! Para saber que vieron todo el video. If you haven't already, like the video. Comment down below. Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Some nice shit, bro. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok in my description.
¿Por qué no lo siguen? Tiene muy pocos seguidores.
Guys, it was a dub vlog type shit, bro. Dub sister, she helped me out today, bro. Type shit. Some light shit. Anyways, guys, I love you guys so much, Mi Valis. I'll see you guys next week for my birthday, bro. Type shit. Hey.
Yo me acosté y llegué a los 200 seguidores. No, ya más, fíjate, 33.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. May y'all have a good day and stay safe and warm. Dios me los bendiga. I'll see you guys next time, mis Valis. Los amo.